Great way to close the show at 6 Degrees Studios, a studio that has been such a special stage for all of our talented designers to showcase. It is personally, it just resonates with each and every person who comes to LFW and says there's so much experimentation, there's so much innovation, and 6 Degrees is perfectly that stage that presented these designers a platform to showcase their brilliant collections. I'd love to hear from Amrita Parekh, Head of Fashion Business at 6 Degrees, to talk about the last show at 6 Degrees that we saw on day 5 of LFW.
Thank you, and welcome to 6 Degree Stage. 6 Degree endeavors to bring promising talent each year, and this is our 4th consecutive successful partnership with Lakme. Our hearts are filled with pride to present Ravi, Julie, Ram and Chandrika, and Nancy. Our humble gratitude to the showstoppers for adding a spark to our show, and what a fantastic way to have the finale at 6 Degree Studio. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Amrita. We saw 4 talented designers close the show at 6 Degrees. We had Debel by Nancy, we had Arabi by Ravi Bhalotia, we had Julie Shah, and Rams and Chandrika Rams. I'd love to hear from each one of you all what was the inspiration for this collection. And kickstarting, I'd love to hear from Julie Shah. Somebody took my mic, I'm so sorry.
Hello everyone. I would love to introduce my collection, the Gulab Bagh, which is inspired by the serenity of roses. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, Julie. I'd love to hear from Kiara. You looked so breathtaking walking down the ramp. Thank you so much for being here. Love to hear from you about your thoughts about the collection.
Well, good evening, everyone. Firstly, a big congratulations to Julie and all the lovely designers here. It's been a pleasure working for Julie. She made me feel beautiful in this floral print outfit. I think I'm summer ready. I'm ready for all the upcoming weddings that are going to happen. And she's such a talented, lovely designer. I wish her all the best for her future.
Thank you.
Nancy, you're no stranger to the 6 Degrees Studio. We're so happy that you're back with us this time around as well. You presented such a beautiful show. In fact, Malaika's outfit is such a statement in itself. I'd love to hear from you about the inspiration of this collection.
Well, being a summer resort collection, this time my inspiration was definitely a bird. But then I thought of interpreting it in a very different form, in a modern form, and getting them embroidered in a complete geometric patterns. Again, we have come up with the Safari Indian version of Safari. And basically, the collection is for Indian women who's ready to make bold statements in an Indian ethnic wear, right? And rest, if I have to speak for Malaika, then I guess Malaika is an inspiration for all the women who aspire to become an individual and, value their own Indian culture as well. And she is a complete fashion icon for me. She really knows how to make a balance between style and elegance. So I can see she's carrying this outfit so beautifully. So thank you so much.
Malaika, I don't think so I can follow that. If you could please let us know how was it.
Well, thank you so much, Nancy, for all those wonderful words. Firstly, congratulations to you and to all other designers and our showstoppers right here at the 6 Degrees stage. This is the first time I'm actually walking on the 6 Degrees stage. I've always been on main stage, but like you said, it's all about innovation, it's all about experimenting, it's all about being different. So I think it's always nice to be part of a force that actually pushes you in the direction of being different and showcasing something interesting. So thank you, Nancy, for putting me in something so inspiring. We all love a sari, but a sari with a twist is always even more fun. So thank you so much, and I wish 6 Degrees stage all the very best for all the future shows. Thank you.
Thank you, Malaika. Such a pleasure to have you always at Lakme Fashion Week. You really make it something else altogether. Thank you so much. Let's not forget about the designer duo, Rams and Chandrika Rams. You all really have created a unique twist of how menswear fashion should be looked at, and Karan Singh is very much the icon statement. Somebody we want to talk to. And welcome to Lakme Fashion Week, firstly, Karan. If you could let us know about your inspiration for this collection.
Yeah, basically we are from Hyderabad. We both couple design men's clothes, and we always believe in like men can experiment a lot. Like so, we always believe in like creating some new colors, new silhouettes. But we always try to maintain our designs minimalistic, though our creative skills are like too much. We always try to maintain them like subtle, so that like the men whoever wears our clothes, they should be more comfortable. And the theme what we had taken is called Bohemian, and this theme is more inspired of Bohemian theme, and it's all unusual. And I think you can see it in Karan's outfits and the other models. Yeah, that's how we. Yeah. Thanks, and especially special thanks to 6 Degree. And Lakme is one platform we love to do always, again and again. And this is our second time, and we wish to do more and more seasons, and to make men more handsome and better. Thank you.
Couldn't have agreed
and
with you more.
And I should thank Karan for being our showstopper. And it was great pleasure working with him. A very cool attitude guy. Yeah, thank you.
Like I said, couldn't agree with you more. Handsome is exactly the word that would describe him right now. You look like you were having fun. You look so completely chilled out, Karan. Welcome to Lakme Fashion Week once more.
Thank you so much.
Could you let us know how was it walking the ramp for them?
It's firstly great associating with Lakme and 6 Degree and Rams, and being here amidst these beautiful ladies and beautiful designers. It was great. It's exciting, and like Rams was telling us about what his collection is all about. It's made for polite hippies. So that's something that I would describe myself as. And he likes experimenting with geometric designs and different stuff that people wouldn't do. And that's what excites me as well. So it was awesome.
Thank you so much
Thank
for that.
you.
Thank you so much to our talented set of designers and their showstoppers. Couldn't have said it better. You all really, really just helped us close the show at 6 Degrees in a very good way. Thank you so much for that. Opening the floor to questions from media.